Hi everyone, welcome to Appliance Advisers. I'm Francesco, joined by Dennis. Today we're going to jump into a really popular category here, and we're going to talk about the best brands for color ranges.
Yeah, so kind of an exciting one with a lot of new entry into color for cooking, and through COVID we saw a lot of folks really start to dabble with it, and what was kind of seemed like just fun is now certainly a trend and more of it.
Yeah.
So I'll start off with the first brand that I think anyone that starts to research colored ranges, La Cornue is probably going to come up first. La Cornue and Aga. Both brands actually now owned by Middleby Corp, who owns a bunch of appliance brands, but two independent brands that span hundreds of years in cooking expertise, but known for these big pro style, really handmade ranges. And that's what really built La Cornue and built Aga. So with Aga, you had a cooker, this compartmentalized cooking that was on kind of 24 hours a day. With La Cornue, same thing. They have a model called the Chateau, kind of really permanent cooking. Amazing products, and we still sell a lot of those today, but certainly a niche product because very expensive because it's handmade, right?
Very custom.
Very custom. So they came out with these La Cornue and Aga light lines, if you will. Not light in terms of performance, but certainly in terms of cost, right? So in the La Cornue line, they came out with Chateau is the premium we talked about, but then they have Cornue. And Cornue comes in a couple different sizes, but really has some cool side swing double oven models in a 43-inch and has a classic 36. You know, so you can mess around with the fuel types and have even induction or gas, and really made it approachable. You know, you're seeing price points in the sub, $8,000 to $12,000 range. So certainly at or less than say a Wolf or a Thermador in many cases, and lets you kind of explore color, multiple finishes for metals and finishes of just exterior color. When you get to Aga now, a brand we're super excited about, new line. We sold it before with the cookers, but now they've just recently, in the last few years, launched two lines called the Mercury and the Aga Elise, 36 and 48-inch ranges, gas options, dual fuel gas in both sizes, as well as induction. Great finish options, great custom hood options, but not at custom prices. You're seeing both of those products in a 36 and a 48 coming anywhere between $7,000 to $10,000, and really lets your kitchen feel very custom. So also going to be launching even a 48-inch range top in induction. So really kind of pushing the bar. You'll see it in our stores in the next few months. Really kind of excited about it.
Yeah, very cool brands there, and kind of bringing that European kind of look and the color. Really cool stuff. Another brand that kind of does it a little differently, but that has definitely exploded with the popularity of color in the kitchen is BlueStar. So American range here, made in Pennsylvania, has really been known for their commercial heritage. Has really kind of always been known for that super powerful burner. So open burner, where really all those pro ranges for the most part, what you see is that sealed kind of clean burner. They kind of came to market with a different open burner style, 25,000 BTUs, super powerful, really kind of catering to that professional type of chef. But really over the last couple of years have exploded with color. Now they'll do anything. So they'll have kind of preset colors. You can do any RAL color. They'll even take you could take a paint chip for something that you want to match, and they'll do a custom color match there for you too. So really a brand that's incorporated color, not only in their ranges now, I know we're kind of focusing on ranges here, but has really entered that into their entire line with refrigeration as well. Late last year, they've even expanded their range line and incorporated dual fuel ranges for the first time. Now, these have really been kind of a really nice add-on for them, where they've, again, kind of been known for that commercial, kind of clean, professional look with the color. But now in that dual fuel, you have that really nice X8 burner that is really powerful, but a sealed burner, gives you nice kind of power and fire inside kind of towards the center of the pan. But also kind of, they give you that nice kind of 7-inch LCD control, which they've never had before. So BlueStar, again, a really kind of great brand to incorporate color, but still get that professional look of a range. always known to kind of fit a full-size sheet pan in their ranges, which you definitely don't get with most ranges. So size, power, performance, but also kind of giving you a little bit of that kind of color pop in there now with really anything that you could imagine there. So another brand I think we're really excited about.
Yeah, and great story, as you said, about starting at cooking as a heritage, but now really as a full suite of line. So again, from countertop, built-in refrigerator, it's just a lot to choose from.
Yeah.
Moving on down the line to a brand that kind of has that same story of a full suited brand is Fisher Paykel. And Fisher Paykel has been known for professional cooking, pro ranges. They've been around a long time, New Zealand-based company, but been in the States for a long time. That double draw dishwasher we always bring up that people know. So, but really has over the last 5 or 6 years, really kind of blown up their portfolio and gone with a lot of new exciting options on the pro side. They have a range that's a semi-pro range, and we like it. It has a couple of different looks, but in this semi-pro range, and what do we mean by semi-pro? I mean kind of the look, the aesthetic value of a pro range, without the burner power, but still very good burner power for everyone else. You know, a flush, great design. So very clean, linear design, not quite as heavy as a pro range. And price point's great. And they introduce color too. So standard colors, not the customizability of a BlueStar or a Cornue and Aga potentially, but you know, red, white, black, and in addition to a stainless version, but really lets you hit a price point and a very clean linear design, doing really, really well in those colors and that suite in general. Yeah,
a great brand to really compete with those Italian style ranges like a Bertazzoni, an Ilve, something like that. But I think the Fisher Paykel really gives you really good performance as well.
Better quality.
Absolutely.
Sure.
So definitely a really good brand to look at there too. And finally, we'll wrap it up with kind of a different brand that has been really popular with colors too, and more in kind of that affordable luxury segment, and that's GE Cafe. You know, they've really, again, another brand over the last couple of years that the Cafe brand line in general has been super popular with stainless steel, but now they've incorporated matte white and matte black. So kind of a few colors that you can add there really in ranges and really across their entire product line, from ranges, dishwashers, refrigeration, have kind of a little bit of a unique, different style kitchen. The cool thing they do too is it's, you know, you have the matte white, you have the matte black, but there's 6 different handle colors that you can select with any of these too. So you could do a brass, you could do a copper you could do a black and copper, you can do a black and black. So there's a lot of different kind of finishes that you can mix together and really kind of make it your own, but really in a really kind of nice, affordable way, where if you're just looking for that kind of standard 2-4-piece package with a fridge, range, dish, and over-the-range microwave, you can get that in a really unique style, unique color. Get that with a matte white and copper handles or whatever you wanted to do. A really kind of nice, affordable way to add some color there.
Yeah, and I think you finished the right way. That what was always custom and ultra luxury, ultra expensive, and certainly you can still do that, has been made very approachable, very affordable, and kind of a full scale based on your budget. And you can have fun, and if you want to mix something up, and as opposed to the standard stainless steel that we see a lot of.
Absolutely. All right, so that's everything for color ranges.
And don't forget to follow us on social media for appliance tips and updates from Yale Appliance.
Your feedback is what shapes our series. Like what you saw? Give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you.
Stay informed and inspired on all your appliance needs. This is Appliance Advisors signing off.